This is the ATAK initial device configurations. Start on the left with the action bar experience. Choose between left or right for your choice of where you want to use it. Next is your callsign identity. Fill in my callsign with what you want to be seen as. My team color. Choose the colors from the options. Finally, my role. Choose a role from the list. Once finished, click Done.
Next, data package. Scroll to the area you have downloaded the data package if you have one. Moving on to plugins. Find the ones you will use and install. Import files. Any other files need install now. Quick connect to any ATAK server you have a login set up on. More settings brings you back and you have initial set up your end user device.